to become a marine biologist or even wanted to become a bird keeper? Well, in this episode, we are going to discover what it takes to start a career and become a marine biologist and a bird keeper. Stay tuned. Hey Dreamers, here we are at Sealife Melbourne Aquarium and we have a huge episode for you today. I'm here with the wonderful Genevieve, who is the PR manager. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming in, guys.
Now, Genevieve, what is your role here?
I am PR manager, which means I'm the public relations manager, and my job is to make sure I tell all of the incredible stories, all of the incredible work we do here at Sealife Melbourne.
Very cool. Now, you guys offer an amazing range of experience. What are they?
You can make your trip to Sealife Melbourne your own, whether you're coming in and seeing all of our incredible aquatic creatures, being brave and getting into our shark tank for our shark dive extreme, jumping on the ice with the penguins for the penguin passport experience, or doing something a little romantic and having a date night with our private dining in our 1.2 million litre oceanarium. It's incredible.
Very cool. Now, what type of species do you have here and how many do you have?
Do you want to have a guess?
I'm going to say maybe 50?
We have way more than 50
Wow.
species here. We have 346 different species of marine wildlife here. And the largest is Pinjara, our 750 kilo crocodile, all the way through to little teeny tiny jellyfish.
Amazing. Now, who does the aquarium cater to?
Everybody is welcome at Sealife Melbourne, whether it's babies seeing fish for the first time and loving all of the colours, to grandparents coming with their families. Anyone and everyone is welcome here at Sealife.
Amazing. Now, we are going to meet some amazing people today. Who will we be meeting?
You guys are going to meet two of my good friends, Nicola, our senior bird keeper, and Alex, our assistant aquarist.
Wonderful. Now, guys, let's jump into the next segment where we're going to meet Nicola, who is a bird keeper, and learn everything about what it takes to be a bird keeper.